Hello dear Cancerians, welcome back to my channel, and this is your reading for the full moon of July 23rd, 2021. So let's begin shuffling. Oops, this card just flipped. Angel of Inner Strength. Oops, Angel of Divine Feminine. Okay, that was quick. These cards just flipped. Did you see that? Okay, so let's begin with the Angel of Inner Strength. Do you realize that you are magnificent? Believe in your magnificence and embrace your power. Know that you are strong enough to set boundaries with others and assert yourself in a loving manner. Allow yourself to be who you truly are, a loving and magnificent being. I think you're lacking that inner strength right now. It's, I think, difficult for you to draw healthy boundaries with people around you, and somebody might be taking advantage of you guys, Cancerians. There are all sorts of people around us. And if it's a loved one, then you should know that you can be loving and at the same time set boundaries with people. You can say that, listen, I love you, but I can't keep taking this shit in a polite way. Like, okay, I can't keep taking this behavior from you because this hurts me. I love you, but I can't keep letting you do this to me. So you have to be polite and loving, and that you are magnificent. Don't think that, oh my god, this person is talking to me like that or behaving like that with me because I am not good enough. No, you are very good. You are magnificent. The problem is with the person. It can be that the person that you're dealing with, maybe in your professional life or personal life, is used to of living their life in a certain way. Maybe they are used to of taking advantage of people, or used to of getting things done in their own way. And if that's hurting you, if that's bothering you, then you can always put your foot down. There's nothing wrong in that. That doesn't mean that you are not good enough or you lack something. No, it's just that the other person is accustomed to behave in a certain way. So you have to draw your boundaries for yourself. That is something the other person can't do for yourself. They will never know. They will never know when to stop. They will never know if what they're doing is the right thing or not, if nobody is going to tell them. Maybe your colleagues never told them. If it's your boss, maybe nobody told this to your boyfriend, because whoever he has dealt with for now has taken their shit all the time. So they're not used to of knowing whether, they're not used to of somebody telling them that what they're doing is wrong. They need to know it. Maybe you're there to help them and with their behavior, and maybe they'll become a better person. Maybe they're not realizing what they're doing right now. Okay, so set boundaries. Let's see what the Angel of Divine Feminine has to say. Are you in tune with the phases of the moon? Do you acknowledge your own cycles? So definitely around the full moon, we all feel differently. Some feel very energetic, some feel very sad, some feel very emotional, some feel very intuitive. Okay, so the angel is saying, trust that your feminine side has much to offer. Go within to receive inspiration from the divine feminine. Your feelings and intuition speak the truth. Listen. So you will get that feeling that somebody is not being true to you, or is taking unfair advantage of you, or just not doing good enough. So you will know, and then accordingly you'll have to draw boundaries with that person, and that's why these cards have come into collaboration with each other. Okay, the positive affirmation for you here is, I honor the phases of the moon. I am aligned with the natural cycles of all life. My feelings are valid. I receive and use my intuitive insight. I trust my inner knowing and act on my feelings with confidence. Okay, so you have to have the confidence to know that that your feelings are valid, that you are enough, that you are magnificent, and that it's not you. It's not you. So don't blame yourself. Okay. The Angel of Inner Strength also has positive affirmation for you. It says, it is safe for me to be powerful in loving ways. I am magnificent in every way. I have the strength to do anything I set out to do with loving intention. I am grateful for the courage to be all that I can be. So you need inner strength to draw boundaries. And you need to know that your feelings are valid. If you're feeling upset, it's valid. If you're feeling good, it's valid. Your feelings are valid. Listen to your intuition right now, okay? And draw boundaries accordingly. This is what the message for you is for the full moon. I hope you guys like this reading. Take care of yourself, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.